Hi everyone, and welcome to my living room floor. Something a little different for today's video. I just received my Craft and Go in the mail, and if you don't know what that is, it's like this suitcase that has has table legs that fold out from it, so it's like a suitcase with like legs so it could stand, and it's magnetized and like metal so like you can stick stuff to it. If you don't know, I paint my own face a lot, obviously, as you guys know, but I also paint like kids' faces, and I'm a face painter, and I do like birthday parties and corporate events and like big community events and stuff like that. So I love painting kids' faces. It's one of my like passions. I just think it's so much fun. My cat's coming over. Hi, Beanie. She's smelling the tripod. Oh, here she comes. Wonder if you'll be able to see her. Oh, yep, there she is. Hi, Binks. Hey, baby. Oh, the baby. In the video. This is my cat, Binks. Say hi, Binks. She does not want to say hi, but here she is. The love of my life. Besides my boyfriend. Okay, so I got my handy dandy box cutter with me. We're gonna pop this bad boy open and see what's inside. Haha. Cut down there and there. So a Craft and Go comes in like several different colors, and I picked yellow because yellow is one of my favorite colors. Plus, it's like, as a face painter, like I feel like very like bubbly, like my personality is just bubbly, so I want my kit to reflect that. So here she is. She's beautiful. She has a sweet little handle on top, so I can hold it. It's on wheels, so you can like drag it around like a literal suitcase, which is lovely. But then the back. Look at that. Look at all them sweet legs. I'll be able to pop this bad boy up in a matter of minutes. Let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so here is everything that my little Craft and Go came with. So it came with one of their metal like inserts. So it just kind of goes like this and sits there. That way I can have like an empty cubby with like all of my my water cup and stuff, but I also have like this nice little metal table that I can put my paints on and whatnot. So it came with that. It also came with this metal like insert for the bottom of the little tubs, so I could stick. It also has like stickies on the back, which is pretty cool. So I could stick it on the bottom of this little cubby area, and that way anything that I magnetize on this part is not going to slide around, which is lovely. I love that. Then I ordered separately this little business card caddy that I can literally hang off the side, which is so cool. So I can hang it off the side of my thing once I take off the wrapper and the plastic, and it'll hold my business card so those don't get in the way. Separately, I ordered this Dazzle caddy with Craft and Go, which is basically just like this like container that holds like glitters, which is lovely. Can't wait to put that together. And then it also came with this little bag, so I could put like things in it, like my templates, or like I don't know what else I'm carrying here, but a whole lot of stuff. And then it came with magnets too, which is super cool because I didn't know that it actually came with magnets, and it came with glue. That's something I didn't purchase, so that's good. That part is all magnetized, so once I put magnets on my paints, I could just pop my paints here and they'll all stick, which I'll show you guys the process, and we're going to put this whole thing together. So here it is without anything in it, and let's start putting this bad boy together. Okay, so here's pretty much an overview of what it looks like. The legs right now are not fully extended. That's just half extended, so it's going to be a lot taller than this when I actually set it up. So here's pretty much just like an overview of what we got going on inside my kit, what the top looks like. And now we can just go through everything. Here we have most of my Mehron Paradise paints, like the single pots, and then I also have some Graftopian Pro paint in here. I have to get some more like single colors because I'm missing like pink, and I need a dark brown, and I need some other colors. But this is just what I put in here for now. A lot of it needs to be cleaned. And then moving over here, we have this cool like little metal palette that I showed you guys before that kind of sits on top of the tub because like it has two little tubs. But here we have my little paint puck, which is where I like wash my brushes out. And then we have my little water spray bottle, and I added magnets to everything so that like nothing moves around, like it'll just stay there. We have my little silver spray glitter that I love to use. This is Wolf FX white and black. These are like the 90-gram pots that I like. See, put a magnet on there, so boom, not gonna go anywhere. And of course we have my little handy dandy business card caddy, which is empty right now. One of my favorite things about this whole setup is that I ordered separately like a brush wallet to keep all of my brushes kind of contained in one spot. Look how cool this thing is. Wow, it's beautiful. And all those mint and lilac brushes with the black ends are all my own FX Freak brushes, which you can get your own collection of FX Freak brushes by going to the description box below. Ooh, look at them all. They're all so nice. I even have my prototype ones in here just because I love them and I want to use them. But yeah, we have my 3/4 inch brush, we have my 1/2 inch brush, we got my 3 and 4 round brushes, and of course my 0 liner brushes. Again, you can get these in the description box below. They are my own brushes. I designed them. I love them. They could be used for acrylic painting, but I also have some other random brushes that I like to use too. But look, it's so cool. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Boom. Brush wallet. It's so cool. And then it just like, well, it actually folds up like this. Boom. And then you can zip it up, and then it can also fold like this way if you don't have any brushes in it. And look how compact it is. It's just beautiful. Boom. Brushes. I love it. Another nice part of it is that it can stand up on its own. It's so beautiful. So I guess while we're down here, I can also show you that I have 2 little like net bags. One I use for all my clean sponges, so all of these are nice and new and fresh and clean. They haven't yet to be used, so I'm excited to use these. And then we have a bag for all my dirty sponges, so once I use them on a kid, they'll go in this bag, and then I'll take them home and sanitize them and wash them until they're all clean. So if I move all the stuff off this tray, then I can show you guys what's underneath. Just basically just empty. But so once you remove this, it's a nice little cubby. So I just have some wet wipes, I have my 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I have my brush soap that I like to add into my water just to keep it clean. I also add in the alcohol into my soap, that way it just like sanitizes all my brushes as I go. And then we put this back where it goes. Moving on to the top section, if I can just like get out of the light. Here we have a lovely Dazzle caddy, which just holds all of my little spritz glitters, which I don't really use a lot, but I'm hoping that now that everything's out in the open that I'll be utilizing a lot more of my product. But then we have all of my split cakes and my 1-inch 1-strokes, and all of that jazz. So we have like a lot of like artsy brush paints, we have some tag paints. I love the tag 1-stroke paints, they're like one of my favorites. So yeah, we have like a whole assortment of those, which is a lot of fun. And then we have some big chunky ones too for like big sponge work. And like, this is brand new, I just got that, and I'm very excited to use it because it looks so pretty. That one's really fun for like doing like neon tiger designs. I love that. Or also neon butterflies are fun to do. Moving on, we have 2 just metallic paints. This one I think is a Wolf FX like gold or like a bronze. I love this. The lid is dirty, but that's fine. And then we have this really pretty copper that I just got. I don't know what the brand is. DFX, I guess. But it looks really pretty, so I can't wait to use that. I really like adding metallics into my looks just to make them pop a little bit more. Now moving on to all the fun stuff. Here we have all of my Face Candy Jenna custom like glitter gels. These things are like absolutely beautiful. Let's see if the camera will even focus on it. Focus. Sometimes cameras don't like to focus on glitter, unfortunately. There we go. But yeah, these are all made by Face Candy Jenna on Instagram and TikTok. You should definitely go check her out. I purchased some of her glitters a few months ago, and then she sent me the rest of them. So I'm so excited to use these at events. They're so beautiful. I have so many shades. These ones I put the magnets on the wrong sides, but look at this beautiful red. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I wish I put the magnets on the other sides because like I can't tell what color these are. So I think I'm gonna have to label them just so I know what I'm looking at. But also I have like, this one's one of my favorites. And she hand mixes like all of these glitters, which I absolutely love. So yeah, definitely go check her out. She has so many pretty ones. Like, look at this one. Look at how beautiful. Focus, camera, focus. Yes, look how pretty this one is. Ooh. Yeah, so very excited to use all these. And last but not least, we have this little package of a whole bunch of stuff featuring my bingo sticker, because kids love Bluey and so do I. So gotta add that there. So we have some of my personal business cards for FX Freak, and then I have some of the business cards for the company that I work with. I got some hand sanitizer, a Sharpie. What else do I have? I have my name tag in here. I've got some stencils in here that I don't normally use, but you never know when you're gonna need them. I also have some like lipstick. I also have some lipstick applicators in here that are disposable, so that I can add like lipsticks into my kit, and then I can just like dab one of the applicators on the lipstick and apply it to the little kid, and then I can just throw it away, so everything keeps it all nice and sanitary. So I'm very excited about all of that. I'll probably add more stuff to my kit as time goes on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I love my kit so much. I think it's adorable. Gonna take it for a test drive tomorrow, so that's exciting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my entire kit at the moment for like face painting events. I'm sure it'll change with time and I'll make adjustments to it. I also gotta remember to pack paper towels, because that's something I always forget. And then I get really upset when I'm at the event and I'm like, I forgot paper towels. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Again, my FX Freak brush collection is still available for a limited time. You can find it in the description box below. It includes 5 face paint brushes, but they can also be used for acrylic paint. That's how I designed them. I acrylic paint as well. I paint on like shoes and bags and stuff like that, so I wanted them to be very versatile. So if you'd like your own brush collection, get that in the description box below while it's still available and while you still can. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, stuff like that, please leave me a comment down below. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok you can find me at You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at FX_Freak. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post a lot of shorts, a lot of my makeup videos. I'm slowly getting into more long-form content, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and with that, I am going to go get the rest of my stuff ready for my event tomorrow. Alright, bye!